Hi everyone, I am Sreekanth. We are discussing programming in C language. The topic is about basics of C programming language. The agenda of this session is about the difference between keyword and identifier. Keyword versus identifier with suitable examples. What is keyword? Keywords are reserved words. What is an identifiers? Identifiers refers to the name of variables, functions, arrays, labels. Identifiers names must be unique. See, the basic of keywords are the reserved words of a particular programming language. The basic of identifiers are the user defined names of variables, functions and labels. The main use of keywords, it specifies the type or kind of entity. The main use of identifier, identify the name of a particular entity. The format of keyword considers only letters up to the C-89 standards. The format of identifier considers letters, digits, underscore and dollar. The case of keyword use only lowercase format. The case of identifiers, lowercase and uppercases both are allowed. The symbol of keywords, no special symbols, punctuations are used in keywords. There is no special symbols and punctuations in a keywords. The symbols of identifiers, no punctuations or special symbols except underscore and dollar is used. The classification of keywords are not further classified. The classifications of identifiers are classified into external name and internal names. Internal identifiers and external identifiers are classified. The starting letter of keywords must be with lowercase letters. It always starts with a lowercase letter as standards of C-89. Starting letters of identifiers, first characters can be uppercase, lowercase letters, underscore and sometimes dollar sign supported in C language. The best examples of keywords like C-89 standards 32 keywords are the best examples of what? Keywords like int, float, char, if, else, while, do, for, so on, etc. All these keywords must be represented as small case or lower cases. The examples of identifiers like user defined names like student, student ID, student name, student course, like that, employee, employee name, employee ID and so on, like count one, like underscore s underscore is a valid identifier, dollar a is also valid identifier, high underscore speed is also valid identifier. Like for constant, declaring constants like pi, max, min, these are all what user defined identifiers. So these are all the major difference between keywords and identifiers. Some differences also represented in tabular format. The keywords is a predefined word. Identifiers is a user defined word. Keywords must be written in a lower case letters, small alphabetical letters only, up to the standards of C-89. Identifiers can be written in both lower cases and upper cases letters. Keywords meaning is predefined in the C compiler. Identifiers meaning is not defined in the C compiler because these identifiers are created by what? User or programmer. Keywords is a combination of what? Alphabetical characters. It consists only alphabets, but the up to C-89 standards it consists only alphabetical characters. Identifiers, it is a combination of what? Alphanumeric characters represented by small a to z, capital A to Z, and followed with what? Digits like 0 to 9, underscore, and also supports what? Dollar. Keywords does not contain the underscore characters up to C-89 standards. Identifiers can contain the underscore character. Keywords has predefined meaning in C. Identifiers are names that are given to various program elements such as variable, function, and arrays, labels. In the program development, based on the requirement, we can give the meaningful name of the identifiers. It consists characters. Keywords generally consist what? Set of characters. Identifier consists of what? Combination of letters, digits, underscores, and some symbol like dollar. Keywords used only for its intended purpose. Identifiers used for required purpose. The best example of keywords like if, else, while, for, wide. So these are all representation of what? Lowercase letters or small lowercase format. Identifiers examples like employee, student, like max for constant declarations, name, add underscore one, like underscore calculations, underscore s underscore like dollar total. These are all the examples of an identifier. So these are all the major differences between what? Keyword and identifiers. Keywords are reserved words in C programming language. Identifiers refers to the names of variables, functions, arrays, labels. Identifiers names must be what? Unique. So these are all the major differences between about keywords and identifiers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all.